My girlfriends and I took hours just to gather simple ingredients, and we didn't spend any time in the kitchen, just more time in the car, driving around. ဂျိမ်းမုံနဲ့တငယ်ချင်းတွေပစ္စည်းလေးတွေကိုရှာဖွေနေရတယ်။မီးပုတ်ကြောင်ထဲမှာအချိန်မဖြုံးခဲ့ဘူး။ကားပေါ်မှာပဲအချိန်ပိုကုန်ခဲ့တယ်။
This is the third pit stop that we're doing for her charcuterie board, in which now we're looking at fresh vegetables and tomatoes. This charcuterie board better be amazing because it's a lot of work. We're going to the best meat store, the freshest meat store, the freshest cheese, and now the freshest vegetables. I just don't understand why they can't put it all together in one place in this town. So Jaymonowa di charcuterie board throw hosa sade cheese na athade na jam achori na to do throw loma le အဲ့ဒါလေးကိုပြမယ်ဒါပေမဲ့ဒီဟာကိုလုပ်ဖို့အရန်ပေးရတယ်เนาะတို့ဆိုင်နေအများကြီးသွားပြီးခါကျတော့ဒီတသေးလေးဟာလေးကိုစားဖို့ it's like an appetizer. I have to show you guys.
ပစ္စည်းလေးတွေเนาะ a simple ingredients ပစ္စည်းလေးတွေရှာဖွေနေတာ find we want to go look for things. Now, if there's a store near you, making a charcuterie board is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Let me show you how. All you need are 3 elements. Something cheesy, 1, something meaty, 2, and something sweet, 3. Here's the kicker. There's no cooking required. တကယ်လို့အနီးနားမှာ store ဆိုင်လေးရှိရင် charcuterie board လုပ်နည်းကအရန်လွယ်တယ်။3မျိုးပဲမှတ်ရပါတယ်။လို့ရတယ်လဲဆိုတာဂျိမ်းမုံပြမယ်။လိုအပ်တာအားလုံးက3မျိုးပါပဲ။ dinget တစ်မျိုး cheese dinget တစ်မျိုးအသားတစ်မျိုး meat အသားတစ်မျိုးနဲ့အချိုတစ်မျိုး sweets something sweet အချိုတစ်မျိုးအဓိကအားသားချက်ကချက်ပြုတ်ဖို့မလိုဘူး So the kicker, the most important part is you don't have to cook them. You don't have to cook.
But now what are we doing here? What store is this?
This is Lombardi's where they make fresh mozzarella daily.
So it's all dairy, like dairy cheese.
They have meats like sopressata.
So it's all fresh.
Yes, and they have a lot of great food, and that's why we're here.
And we like it because it's like organic or like all natural?
It's like fresh.
It's fresh, okay. Great. Thank you.
Yeah.
I don't know, this is all so new to me.
Now that we've got all the ingredients, it takes less than 10 minutes to put together. It's so simple yet so delicious. Remember, cooking is optional, but style is essential. အခုပါဝင်ပစ္စည်းတွေအားလုံးစုံပြီးဆိုတော့ပြင်ဆင်ဖို့အတွက်10မိနစ်ပဲလိုတယ်။ရုပ်စင်ပေမဲ့အရသာအရန်ရှိတယ် It's simple but delicious. ချက်ပြုတ်ခြင်းရင်လည်းရတယ်ကိုယ့်သဘောပဲဒါပေမဲ့ style ကအရေးကြီးတယ်ရိုးတယ် means simple ရိုးတယ်အရသာ taste delicious အရသာကိုယ့်သဘောပဲ it's optional it's up to you ကိုယ့်သဘောပဲ optional up to you it's up to you it's your choice ကိုယ့်သဘောပဲ